The online viewing for 307 Fordhouse Lane. This is a 3-bedroom, semi-detached property. Then moving into the property, and we have a spacious hallway here and stairs leading up to the first floor. And then we have the first reception room. Very well presented property throughout. A nice large bay window facing towards the front aspect. And around to the second reception room. Also a very nice size, and having a door going out into the garden from here. Go through to this very lovely kitchen, really nicely fitted with cooker, hob and microwave. Nice stable door going to the side of the property, and there's also a useful understairs storage pantry. Moving on to the first floor, where you have the landing area and loft access above. And then we've got 3 bedrooms on this floor. This one here currently used as a study and office space that faces towards the front of the property. Another good size double room with fitted wardrobes. From here we are overlooking the rear garden. And then we also have a good sized 3rd bedroom. Again, facing towards the rear of the property. And through to the bathroom, really nicely fitted. And having an electric shower over the bath. And then there's also space here for washing appliances. Moving outside to the side of the property, we have a toilet here, and then around to the main garden. There is also a further store, which is where the gas boiler is located. Nice lawned area, lots of privacy. At the property. So that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing for this property, please call the office as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully talk to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.